Hello guys, how to fix 0x0000011A blue screen bsod error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to fix this bsod error in Windows 10 and 11, the first workaround is go to Windows settings. From the left pane choose Windows Update and install Windows latest update available. Check for updates and any updates available, install it. Thereafter go to advanced option. Here choose optional updates and look for any optional update driver updates available. If any found, also install them and check whether your blue screen error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose run command box, and here execute the command appwiz.cpl. It will open programs and features in control panel and uninstall any programs and features you have recently installed. It may be a cause of blue screen of death error, so simply uninstall recently installed apps or programs. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes and again open run command box and execute the command rstrui. Restore system files and settings. Click on next. Choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select restore point and choose next and confirm your restoration point and press finish. That's all.